Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a Shibori style rope shirt. The shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. It's also turned inside out. It's been a while since I've made one of these, so I found the rope that I used last time when I made one. The kind of rope that I'm using is a polypropylene rope, which is pretty much a synthetic or a plastic rope. It's mainly used in water sports. And because of the material that it's made out of, the dye won't soak into it. The rope that I have is not very thick, so I've taken and put several layers of it and kind of tried to attach them together to make my rope a bit thicker. I'm starting down at the bottom, and I'm going to wrap the shirt around the rope. Once I have the entire shirt around the rope, I'm going to take and push the shirt toward the middle. That's going to gather and wrinkle the shirt up. To hold the folds that I've formed in place and to hold the shirt around the rope, I'm going to use some kite string. Okay, so now it's time to start applying the dye. I'm going to use a single color for this shirt, and that color is Dances with Raisins from Dharma Trading Company. This is an adult size large shirt, so I've only mixed up 1 cup of dye. I don't want to apply too much dye or the shirt will just be a solid color. I'm going to use the entire bottle of dye in the shirt, and then I'm taking my hands to kind of squish some of the dye down through the shirt a little bit. I'm going to set the shirt aside and allow it to process for about 48 hours. Generally, I like to leave my shirts for at least 24. Then I took the shirt to the sink and began rinsing in cold water to rinse out any of the soda ash that was in the shirt. Then I gradually warmed the water up to hot and continued rinsing to rinse out any of the excess dye that hadn't reacted with the shirt. After almost all the dye was rinsed out and the water was close to clear, I put it in the washing machine and washed it using some hot water and a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. Then I threw it in the dryer, and this is what our shirt looks like. I really like the way this one turned out. I love the Dances with Raisins color from Dharma, so I knew I would like at least the color of the shirt. I also like the technique because I like the fact that the dye gets less and less as you go further down the shirt. That's why I restrained myself and only used 1 cup of dye. I wanted to make sure I didn't color the shirt solid all the way through. So whatever end or part of the shirt you begin wrapping around the piece of rope, that's the area of the shirt that's going to have the least amount of dye on it. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.